Hello, this is Lance Cleveland, author of the Store Locator Plus plugin for WordPress. I'm going to go over a few updates today of the 4.3.07 release that just came out this afternoon. Before I get into that, a couple of quick notes. The first is that if you post in the forums or send us an email, please always include your locator information, the environment that you are running. So go to the info tag, plugin environment, and copy this text and send it to us, or take a screenshot preferably, and send this data to us. A lot of people say mine's updated to the latest release. We find out later it's not. Saves us both a lot of time and energy if you can just send this information to us before posting. Another side note is there is an issue in WordPress 4.3. There is a bug in the way cron jobs are recorded in the options table. So if you found that your site's gotten very slow and you upgraded to WordPress 4.3 recently, and it seems to be getting slower and slower over time, you might want to check that bug out. For those that are interested, you can email support@storelocatorplus.com, and I can send the link, and you can also look through our info and news articles on the blog on Store Locator Plus and find information on that. That was slowing down my server as well as a lot of my customer servers, I've been learning. If you don't know what WP options table is, or an option name, cron, that's C-R-O-N, if that's all Greek to you, talk to your system admin, your WordPress geek, whoever you got on staff, and ask them to check that value. It can get quite large. On my service, it was a 16 megabyte value that was being saved, and that can have a significant performance impact. Of course, I traced a lot of Store Locator Plus code and then found out it wasn't the Store Locator Plus 4.3 release. It's actually WordPress 4.3. They're aware of it. There's a patch. It's coming out in 4.3.01. There is no ETA for that yet. So on to Store Locator Plus 4.3.07. The two big fixes. The first big fix, of course, is the order of the location results in 4.3.06. These were in reversed order. And, geek speak version here. The library that displays these highlighted divs down here that I'm showing you, those were put in reverse order with the old Google library. I switched over to a jQuery library to attach these results underneath the map when they come back from the server. The jQuery versions is much faster. It's included in WordPress. And the append command in jQuery actually adds stuff to the end, which is what you would expect append to do. There was actually a tweak a long time ago for the old library that put using the Google library, where append was putting these in reverse order, so I had to do some trickery to work around that glitch. When I switched to the jQuery version, forgot about that workaround, and of course it manifested itself as a bug in Store Locator Plus with these locations coming out in reverse order. That's now been fixed. So bottom line of all that, your location results now come out in a new order, and it also should be a little bit faster when rendering the results. So those are that's one of the fixes. The other fix that some people will notice, if people were setting premium add-on packs and doing checkboxes. So let's say for the Premier add-on pack, if I had enable clusters turned on and saved that setting, if you then went to a location and edited the location, any location in the list, and just saved the location, it would uncheck all the Experience tab checkboxes, especially for premium add-on packs. That bug has also been fixed. I don't know how long that's been in there, but for a little while anyway, at least since the 4th release, so that's been addressed. So if you notice some of your settings kept going away every time you manually edited a location, that would be why. Also, some other things that are new in 4.3.07, there is a new option here for the web link. That web link is defined in the results layout here. You can see all the different settings that are available in the results layout. And web link shows the value of the website label right here, website URL label. There's a new version for people that want to actually show the URL and don't want to have to build the URL by hand, which was the only way to do it in previous releases. Use SLP location URL link, and that will actually show the website URL as entered for the location. So if you put in HTTP, you'll see HTTP here. If you don't put in the HTTP, you'll only see the last part of the URL, and that's what will show up here. It's truncated. That is a design style. To prevent wrapping, there are different plugin styles that will put ellipses or show the whole thing or wrap it, so you can actually see it. So you can also see why a lot of people and why the default is web links. So that's a new option. There's also options added so that all these labels down here, website URL, phone, fax, email, can all be output with SLP_option space setting name. So that's a new setting that's available to users that are hacking up their search results or results layout using enhanced results and enhanced search. So those are the updates for 4.307. Thank you for your support of Store Locator Plus.